Let us start this video with revising the different terms of GenAI. So we started with LLMs. LLMs are large language models, and these are like brains, and these are trained on lot of data. And what are the different types of brain? One is Claude, second is Gemini, third is ChatGPT. What are these different brains? And there are many more, but just for our context, we are using only three of them. Now, is Anthropic also a brain? No, Anthropic is a company. And which is the product of Anthropic? Gemini or Claude? It's Claude. So different brains of GenAI LLM are Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT. Now, where are all these brains stored? Where? LangGraph? They are stored on Hugging Face. And what is Hugging Face? It is like a GitHub, a central repository, or we also call it as a brain store. Now, we have brains, but how do they think? Do they think through RAG? Do they think through MCP? Or what? They think through transformers. And what is transformer? It's the architecture, the design of the brain. And what does it have? It has query, key, and value. Like we took the example of the cat sat on the mat, so it relates the word cat, sat, and mat to predict the next word. So this is done. How do we make the brain smarter? Through MCP, RAG, AI agents? What do you think? And why do we make them smarter? Why? Because LLM forgets facts after training. So RAG, which is retrieval argument generation, it lets the LLM search the web or a document before answering. Like the example of who won the IPL in 2025. So the current context, it finds the current database or any company related documents and provides the answer. Now, what is the use of LangChain and LangGraph? Like how developers build apps using AI. They use LangChain and LangGraph. And what are these? So LangChain is like a code toolkit, and LangGraph is like a visual builder. And this is built on, actually LangGraph is built on LangChain. So we know that LLMs can only provide answer to the queries, but then who takes the action? MCP or AI agents? AI agents. AI agents take the action because LLMs only provide the answer to the queries. Like we saw an example of book me a flight, and it searches, fills forms, and confirms. So AI agents are like brain plus tools plus the goal. And what does finally MCP means? MCP is like Model Context Protocol. It's like a universal what? Translator. Right. So these were the basic terms which are used in Gen AI. And of course, it's very deep, but for a starter to understand what, at least what are the terms, I think this video would be enough for them. I hope you like it. Thank you.